I have raised 7 children on premises.
Bless your heart.
Yeah, 7. Good for you.
I'm in the middle of those 7.
And I've always stuff a cold and starve a fever when they were sick.
And now I'm raising 2 of my own children, and I'm not really buying that.
And she's still alive.
I hate to tell you.
She's still alive.
We all have these old sayings. They come from somewhere. So the thought process back in the day was if you have a fever and you eat, your body's going to take that energy to metabolize the food and take it away from fighting the fever. So that's sort of where that came from. Totally bogus. Not true. I know, Kelly, you're right. Yay, middle children, we win. So what's even more important, though, when you're sick, you do need nutrition. You need to eat things to help your body fight off the infection. And so we've got some stuff over here to show you guys.
You should feed a fever and a cold?
You should feed a fever and a cold. And even more importantly is hydration. So feed a fever, feed a cold, hydrate everything. It's the liquid that really helps. When you have a fever, you get really dehydrated. Drinking liquid will help thin the mucus when you have a cold. So all of that's really important. But what you eat also matters too, right? When you have a fever, you're not feeling well, you can be nauseous. So there's certain foods that are better than others. You don't want to be like sitting on the couch eating bonbons. That's not really going to do you any good as much as we would like to, right? So the first thing is old comfort, chicken soup. Everyone knows chicken soup, mom's chicken soup. It's very comforting. There's actually science behind chicken soups. Their studies have shown that it actually thins mucus and it helps the body's cilia sort of move the mucus out of the body. It's science. Chicken soup is science. It's fascinating. The other old standard is ginger ale. Everyone's mom gave them ginger ale when they were sick, right?
It's the only time we got soda.
Here's the thing. Most ginger ale doesn't have ginger in it. It's really just the carbonation and the sugar that really settles your stomach, which is not a bad thing. But if you want to get the real effect from ginger, use actual ginger root. So moving on to more of the flu. When you have the flu, you get lots of nausea. You may not feel very good. You don't really want to eat. Bananas are fantastic. And the other thing we've got is oatmeal. Very bland, easy on the stomach, isn't going to cause a lot of issues, but it's power-packed with fiber and nutrients.